We are given the question here of an ellipse and construction. So when we are given a question like this, they say copy the given figure to scale 1:1. All construction must be shown. So to tackle this, we're first gonna draw the ellipse. Get the center lines first. Then from there, mark your axis, your major axis and minor axis. So we are given the measurement for our major axis as 160 from here to here, and we are given the measurement for our minor axis as 96 from here to here. The first step to plot this, we're going to take this 160 of our major axis, divided by 2, gonna give us 80. From the center, going this way, we're gonna measure 80. Same thing on this side. Even for our minor axis, from the center going up, we're gonna measure 48 because 48 is half of 96. Then from here to here, we measure 48 again. So let's take our rulers and let's measure our major and minor axis. Take your compass, measure 80. Just verify the measurement, 80. Have this. Have this. Then for our major axis, let's label this as our major axis. Then for the minor axis, what you're going to do, we're going to measure 48. And put it here. Then put it here. This right here is going to give us our minor axis. You can call this one as MI. So the next step is to join your major axis with your minor axis, just with a straight line. Then from there, take your compass from your center. This center here is given as E. So we have our center E. From E to MA, draw an arc like that. Then we can call this point A. Then from MI to A, draw another arc. From MI to A, MI to A, we're gonna draw an arc. Like that. Right. Accuracy is very important when you're drawing an ellipse, so let's just make sure that we get that accurate right from the start. We're gonna take this. Then MA. like that. Then we're gonna have this point as point B. Then the next step is to bisect this line MA to B. To bisect this line here, you can take your measurement, you can put your compass at B and at MA like this. Draw an arc up here, then come here, draw an arc here. Take your measurement from MA and B, and then draw an arc here, draw an arc here. Then draw a straight line that join these two arcs together with a straight line. Make sure that the line that you draw, this straight line here, is going to cut your major axis and your minor axis. Make sure that this line that you draw here is gonna cut your minor axis and your major axis. So with that being said, we're gonna have this point here. We can call this point C. Then we're gonna have this point here. We can call this point D. Then you take your compass between E and C, put your compass between E and C. Take this measurement, copy it on the other side. So this point here, you can call this point E. And then, no, we already have E, you can call this one F. And then we take this E and D like this, then we put it this side, then we can call this point G. And then the next step is to join F and G with a straight line. Like this. F and G, and then we're going to join D and F with a straight line. Then we're going to join G and C. Like that. This point here, G, F, D, and C, this is our center line that we're going to use to get our ellipse. So to get this, you're gonna put your compass at D and take it to your minor axis, the MI. Like that. Draw an arc starting from this point here, going all the way to this one. So draw this arc there. And then similarly, come to point G. Draw an arc that will pass between your minor axis MI there and these 2 points. Like that. After getting these 2 arcs, now we're gonna come to point C and F, and then we're gonna draw an arc that passes through MA. Like this. Like that, and then we're gonna come to this point, F and MA. Then we're gonna draw an arc that passes through MA this side. Then right there, you get your ellipse. That's your ellipse, it's done. Now let's do these constructions inside. Let's start with the octagon. You can see this octagon, we are given the measurement from, okay, let's do like this. You see, for this octagon here, you're given the measurement from here to here. So what you can do here, we'll do the box method. We're gonna measure half of 64 from the center going there, which is 32. Let's do that. That's 32, that's 32, that's 32, and that's 32. And then put it in a box. Extend this line 32, extend this one like that, extend this one, extend. Then from here we're gonna come to this corner. We're gonna start here, then we're gonna do the arcs. We're gonna start here, take the measurement in the center like this, and then draw an arc passing through the center like that. Come to this corner, same measurement, draw an arc that will pass through the center, touching the side. Same measurement, come to this side, draw an arc passing through the center, go in there, then come to this corner here, draw an arc passing through the center to the side. Then after here, we're gonna have these points here. Can have this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to join all these points together. See, as we're joining this together, you see our shape there is coming alive. And there you have your octagon. Let's do the hexagon inside. We are given one side of the hexagon is 20, so we're gonna measure 20 in our compass. We're gonna measure 20 like this. Draw a circle. You're gonna measure this 20 and then draw a circle in light construction. Then you're gonna come to this point here. You're gonna create an arc here, come down here, create an arc here, then arc here. From here, we're gonna join all the arcs together. Then we have our hexagon. Join this arc with this arc. This one. This one. This one, you come here, then you come here. So when you're done like this, you are done, you have answered the question. There's nothing else to do. Yes, thank you. Hope you'll enjoy this.